In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Google Workspace users. Whether you're brand new to Google Workspace or simply need to manage your team more effectively, this tutorial will help streamline your user management process. Let's dive right in. Start by accessing your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, your first step is to click on Directory. This is your essential starting point where you will handle all user-related tasks. When you select Directory, a drop-down menu will appear, from which you'll click on Users. This section is designed to facilitate the management of everyone in your organization who has access to Google Workspace. Now, with the Users section open, it's time to add someone new to your team. Look for a button labeled Add New User. It's usually positioned prominently and is quite easy to spot. Clicking this button will open a form where you'll fill out the new user's details. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering the user's first and last name. Ensure you've got the spelling correct to avoid any future communication hiccups. Next, input their email address. This will be their Google Workspace identity, so it's crucial to ensure it follows your organization's naming conventions or email protocols. Once you've filled out these fields, click Continue. After creating new user accounts, managing them effectively is your next step, and it's just as important. In the Users section, you can easily manage each person by simply hovering over their name. This action will bring up a set of options. These may include the ability to reset their password, allowing you to maintain security with ease. You might also see options to delete a user if they no longer need access, or additional functionalities depending on your administrative privileges. By interacting with these options, you ensure your team is always up to date and have the correct level of access. It's all about keeping your environment secure yet accessible, and these tools give you exactly that balance. And that's it. You've now learned the essentials of adding and managing users in Google Workspace. Taking the time to set up and maintain user profiles correctly ensures a smooth operation for you and your team. Regularly checking and updating user details can save you time in the long run. Keeping everything organized will make your workspace more efficient and help prevent potential issues down the line. I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to practice these steps whenever you need to adjust user access, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy managing. Happy.